Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto suggestion in Android Studio. So what we are going to do is head over here at the top toolbar, and where you see file, then go to the settings, or you can use shortcut Ctrl Alt S. In macOS, you have CMD plus Alt S. Now here on the left side, we will navigate ourselves to editor, and then we will choose general. All right, so now you see also under the generals, you see code editing. So click on that sub item and check the box next to show suggestion as your as your type. So what you can also change is here editor tooltips, tooltip delay. You can set how milliseconds. So yeah, you can decide how fast you want to get these tooltips. And when you are happy with it, just click apply and OK to confirm and save changes. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next